Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I will show you how to change the language in your Castle mobile app. So it's a very simple process. All you have to do is open the application. Now, wait for a few seconds. Now, after that, click on the Me option at the bottom right-hand side corner. Then click on the three lines at the top right-hand side corner. After that, just simply scroll down a little bit, and over here you will have the option of App Language. Click on that. Right over here, you should be able to see the default languages available for you. So just simply choose which language you want, and then just simply select that. Once you've done that, you can go back and then enjoy the show of your preferred language. So that's it. Now, I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.